Leetcode had the problem 3027. Find a number of ways to place people. Number two. This is exactly the same problem as we solved yesterday, which is 3025, but for number one. Today we're gonna have number two. So I'll just copy the answer over. The only difference here is the range, the data range. Here we have a bigger range, so give it so the idea is on this plan we go through all the points. So first of all, we sort all those points. The second, we go through all the points. Which gonna be the first layer of loop. The second loop we're gonna loop all the number with on x, which gonna be this line, and etc. And the third layer of loop, we're gonna loop all the point, all the y value on for that point on a specific x, which gonna be this one, this one, this one. So this is the way we go through all the point to see if it is a valid pair.